Hello students, in this video we will see class 6 maths exercise 16C, and in this exercise we will come to know that how to find out the increased in percentage and decrease in percentage. So formula of increased percentage is increased in value upon original value multiply 100 and percentage sign. Decreased percentage formula is decrease in value upon original value into 100 into percentage sign. Now come to question number 1. Question number 1 is saying that the original price of rice is 30 rupees per kg. In the beginning the price of the rice was 30 rupees per kg. After some time the price is changed and the new price of rice becomes 36 rupees per kg. Okay. Now we have to find the change in percentage increase. How much percent the price of the rice increased? How we can find? Simply we will apply the formula that increase in price is equal to rupees 36 minus 30 rupees. So it will be 6. Okay. Now find the increase in percentage. It will be increase in price upon original price into 100 and here percentage sign. Increase in price is 6 rupees, original price is 30 rupees. And here multiply and percentage sign. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Answer is 20%. Means the price of the rice is increased by 20%. Answer. Note down this one. You can pause the video and you can note down. Now the next question is question number 2. In question number 2 it is saying that original population of a town is 4,000 and after 2 years the population is changed and the population is increased and the new population becomes 4,500. Now you have to find the percentage increase in the population. Now change in population, first we will find out. The change in population will be 4,500 minus 4,000. When you do so, you will get the answer 500. Now percentage increase is equal to increase in population or increase in value upon original population multiply 100 and percentage sign. Put the value. How much is the population increase? पहले 4,000 थी, बाद में 4,500 हो गई. How much is the difference? 500. So 500 upon original is the 4,000. So here I will put 4,000 and multiply 100 and here percentage sign. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, one more 0 cancel. What is left? 2 2s are 4 and 2 25s are 50. Here I am getting answer 25 by 2 percentage. Again if I convert this into mixed fraction or into decimal, I will get this 12.5 as the answer. Means the population of town or village has increased by 12.5%. See, whenever word problem comes to you, you have to give your answer in words only. Means In statement you have to give answer. For this also you are getting 1 marks. This is the step. Okay, now you can note down. You can pause the video and note down. Now question number 3 is saying that original price means in the beginning the price of a scooter was 8,000 rupees, and after some time the price of the scooter has been changed and the new price of the scooter becomes 6,000 rupees. Here you can see original price is 8,000 and the new price is 6,000. There is a decrease in value. So of course the percentage decrease will be here, not increase. So change in price we will calculate first. Of course we will subtract the greater number, we will write first, and smaller number we will write afterwards. So 8,000 minus 6,000, it will come 2,000. Change in price means decrease in price. Here the price is decreasing. Okay. So here we will calculate percentage decrease in price of a scooter. It will be decrease in scooter price upon original price into 100 and percentage sign. What is the decrease? How much it is decreasing? 2,000 rupees. And how much is the original one? Original one was 8,000 and multiply 100 and percentage sign. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, then 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 25s are, and answer is 25%. That means the price of the scooter decreased by 25%. So here we will write the statement. The price of the scooter decreased by 25%. Now you can pause the video and note down. Okay, in this video only this much. With the help of these questions you can also solve another question. For more videos you can subscribe to my channel, and if there is any confusion you can write in the comment box. Thank you and see you in the next video.